In this video, I'm talking about Dexscreener, how to use Dexscreener to find good meme coins and how to navigate Dexscreener. By the end of this video, you should be able to use Dexscreener to find good and profitable meme coin that you can trade and it's going to bring or give you money. Before I get right in, please do it to like, subscribe and turn the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So on Dexscreener, this is what I'm going to say if you visit this website for the first time. On this place, you're going to see a lot of coins on this screener, and here you're going to see their price, their age, transaction volume, and the market cap and liquidity. For me, the most important thing I check when I'm looking at coins like this is actually their market cap and liquidity. Well, on this place, you get to see the trending tab. If you click on this place, you get to see coins that will be trending in the last 1 hour, coins that will be trending in the last 5 minutes. And there, it's going to see the top coins that will be doing so well, and you can sort with age from the most recent to the oldest. You can sort and see this like coin of about 4 years ago. So you can sort with this. Then on this, you can see the gainers, the coins that will be doing so well, like kind of similar to like the top coins that will be doing so well. You get in the last 5 minutes, 1 hour, you can sell of this. Then the new page, you're going to see coins that is being launched recently. Okay, if you want to see coin that being launched in like newest, pretty newest, you see coin being launched, you can see 35 seconds ago. Those are coins, but I don't trade most of these because 99% of them are still up yet. So if you put in like 6 hours, 1 hour, coins that are putting in the last 6 hours, 1 hour are actually good coins. For a coin to last, because most works do happen in the first 30 to 1 hour you get, but any coins that is beyond that shows that the coin is very legitimate. Then other things you can check for is the watch list. If you add any coin to a watch list, the multi chart, the alert, what to set a specific alert or market cap alert. You get, but don't make use of this alert. Then other things I check is the new pairs and the gainers or losers. Like I said, if you click on the new pairs, it's going to pick up all the newest coins that is being listed on the screener, and as usual you can sort with age. You get in the last 1 hour you can sort with age, then just wait for it to load. You can see this coin was created about 10 hours ago. If you can toggle this to see the most recent, this one was created 19 minutes ago, and on here you can see the details, current market cap and other stuff. And also there's an important thing you should know. Right here is these are different blockchains. We have Solana, Ethereum, Base, all of that. We often trade Solana because in Solana is where most volume is where most people do trade. You get a lot of volumes on Solana, a lot of coins Solana too. So you can easily make money by trading Solana meme coin. That's why if before you choose any meme coin you want to trade, ensure you put it on Solana. After that, then if you can click, you can make it on new pairs or gainers or losers. Most times you still see the same things. You get, so put it on Solana, then we pick up the coins that are doing well. You get, and you can see. And so the other things that I would like to explain to you, but if I open up all of this, I'm going to explain all of this to you. So let me open this particular one. I'll put it in a new tab, and this will be it. So guys, over here is liquidity. Liquidity simply refers to the amount of money that the developers put in that you can use to exchange this token with. You get, if there's no liquidity in a particular coin, you can't swap a coin, you can't buy and you can't sell a coin. Market cap is very important. Market cap kind of determines what you'll be making in this particular project, or when you buy a particular coin. If the market cap of a particular project is like 1k dollars and you bought like $100 of it, you bought $100 of the particular full coin, and market cap increased to 2k dollars, you have made what, like 2x. If it increased to 10k dollars, you have made 10x. So in this the current market cap of this coin is 5k. If you buy it and if it increase to like 80k market cap, you are making close to 2x on this particular coin. So the market cap is what we look into. That's why most people will tell you buy smaller market cap. You buy this particular market cap and it goes to 100k does 100k market cap, you will have made much profits from it compared to when a coin is at, let's say, 10 million market cap and now goes to 15 million market cap. You make more profit. 10 million market cap to 15 million market cap is not up to 2x, but from 41k market cap to 80k market cap is 2x. If you understand. So on this place is where you get to change this to market cap. You get click on market cap on the side, instead of it to be showing the price, it will be showing market cap, and you can see right, and it's more easy for you to look at the chart like this to easily tell where to buy, where not to buy. On this place is the time frame you get. So just like we always say, it is best you trade using the 1 second, because between 1 seconds and the price can move drastically. If you want to trade, put it in 1 second and trade. Then on this place, you change it to market cap and can try to put it on full screen if you want to see the full chart you get. So another important thing we're looking at is volume you get. If there's volume in this particular coin, in this project, it means that the coin is going to pump as good as very well. As you can see, there's more red candles, right? So it means that you should not enter this place. So wait, once there's green volumes, you can see there's volumes, so you can see the green volumes. So it's going to mean that you can enter this place as people are starting to buy to this particular coin. So other things you can probably check out for is the websites and Twitter, but there's no website or yeah, just Twitter yet. So a legit project are both website or Twitter. So on this transaction, we get to see the people buying into this particular coin every time and people selling. If you come to this side, like you click on this and see the amount they have bought and what they have sold for and stuff like that. So you can see, check all of this. So if you check, you can see a lot of buys commit, right? And if you click on this funnel icon, it's going to show you all the transaction in particular wallet has done. And see this particular wallet have bought, it has bought, but it hasn't sold any of his or any of the token he bought, and you can try to clear it again. So any good thing is that you can simply come to this place funnel and you can put a minimum of $100. So if you do this, you get to see transactions of large volume like $100 transactions get. If you notice the transactions going in, people were buying and selling $10, $20 get. Those kind of people buying $10, $20 make cannot make any good change in this particular price chart, but from $100 go up, the particular amount actually make changes in the chart, actually either push the market cap down or up again. So you can put it in $100, so you see people putting heavy money to this particular chart. I mean, this can easily make informed decision about this particular project you get. So other things you can possibly check for is that then you can see this wallet buying, so you can simply over this wallet and see if wallet the wallet have made good profit, or there is boots. You can see it bought for 9. This person made a loss of about $765. You can see it bought for $937 and sold for $161. So with this, you can really check their wallet and see if they have made profit or not. Again, so that's why DEX Screener is quite okay. Again, people are making losses too. People are making profits. Understood. So that's how it is. You can also clear. You can also go to top traders. Top traders show people that make the most amount of profits of this particular coin. You can see this guy bought for $167 and sold for $1K. Bought for $200 and sold for around $1K too. They made profit of around $1K. Why? Sorry. While this one you are not seeing it, but apparently they've would have created a coin. You can see all they do is just say they already have the tokens, and what they do is simply sell. sell the tokens off. Yeah, people are making money from this, some people also losing money. These are meme coin trading is you get. So basically, if you want to trade this meme coin, just like I said, start do your check and all of those normal stuff. The next thing is for you to also see if the coin is currently trending on Twitter or not. It's very important you check this. This is what I'm looking for. Search on Twitter. Tap on search on Twitter. Search whether the CA to see people are doing what we're talking about. People are talking about it on Twitter. Probably means that there is hype around it and the coin might do so well. So as you can see, somebody put about it 20 minutes ago, and I think there were just few persons that have tweeted about this. You get not very much, but it's still quite okay. You get so, and also what you should be checking out for is before you buy, you can just the most important thing is for you to ensure there is volume. So put in the 5 minutes, ensure that you invest in the like in these 5 minutes time, there's still volume going on in this particular coin. You get over 8k volume going on. Those people are taking profit. So what you're doing is looking for entry. Entry means where you should buy, and this is a new collection. So you can put it in 1 seconds again. Then let's see. So right now you can only wait for it to pull back. You get and see people that bought at this place. You get and the people that sold at this people made profit over this coin because this is like 2s. So you can simply wait for the rate to pull back to let's say $30. You get 30k market cap, 30k market cap, then you buy. Then once it pumps again, you set off like if you bought at this particular place, 30k market cap, you should be looking to sell at over 50k market cap. That is then you make some profit. You don't really know when this coin is going to die down yet. So if coin is going to do well, literally depends on what depends on the hype around it. It's still possible this can go over to 100k market cap. We don't know yet, but I think this is the best you should do. Wait for it to dip, you buy, and once it's pumped to over 50k, 100k market cap, you take profit, and then you move on. So guys, this is simply how you can actually do this. Well, guys, if you have any question, then in the comment section. Let me know. If you have any question, please let me know. If you find it helpful, to like, subscribe, to my Telegram channels. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.